So this is going to be the square hole that your door handle is going to go through. Start on the outside of the greenhouse. You're going to have this piece that's going to fit in here. It is going to be very tight, so you're going to have to wiggle it around or hit it with the palm of your hand. This part is going to be flush against here, and then you're going to have this part sticking out. You're going to have a small piece that's going to thread over here. Do that until it's tight. Then this is going to be your front handle on the front of the greenhouse. Install it, and then you'll have this square piece on the inside. Take your handle and add it. My rule of thumb is you want this to be the opposite side. So if this handle is facing inward, this will face outward. Install that, then use your nut driver and tighten it. After that's tight, you'll be able to open and close your door.